In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post videos on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and if you want to post a video on your mobile device, first of all, you need to download YouTube app. So if you haven't installed this app already, you need to go to the App Store or to the Play Market if you are on an Android. Then just search for YouTube in that way. And then once you find YouTube app, just download it, and also you can update it to get the latest version. However, I have already installed the app. I can just open it up now. You can do the same, and on the next step we need to sign into our YouTube or Gmail account. To do that, tap right here if it shows you sign in button. In my case, it shows my profile picture, which means that I have already signed into my YouTube account. However, if you are not, you need to tap right here, then enter your email and password, and after that, after you are signed into your account, you will be able to post a video. To do that, tap at that plus, then select whether you would like to create short, live, post or video. I'm gonna choose video, and that will immediately open up my camera roll. From here, we can choose a video just by tapping on it, just like that. Just tap at that video and then hit at next. After a couple of seconds, we'll be taken to this video editor, and from here we can add some sound to that video. In that way, just select a song and tap at that button to add it to your video. Also, we can add there some text, some voiceover, we can change volume levels, and if we go to timeline, we'll be able to edit our video in more details. However, once you are done with that, to go to the next step, we need to tap at next, and then we'll be able to add title for our video. Actually, the video was recognized as short because it is less than 60 seconds, so we can add a title here. We can change some privacy settings such as visibility. As of now, it is set to private. We can tap on it, and we can change it to public. Also, from here, we can schedule this video. Then we can add a location, set audience preferences, and then once we are done with that, to post a video, just tap at that button. That's how you can easily post a video on YouTube.